byela mfana luya wa Mzimbabwe wa ka Malamulele ku a nga deleli murangaphandla, a nga deleli landlord. Va twisisa? Wa ha ku fika tola ka va n'wi nyika xipisa ku lexi room and rent. I tiva na ku delela vanhu va tiva ku va mani va na timali va aroni i ti-landlord mfana me a wu na channel wena wa fana khundula wa lava u lavi i ta ku boha. Michael enjoy no table for two. Kwala santeni kaya rapi nyonyo manyango. Ija samanyanyo. Emgobozi alwe. Nawe emgobozi. Behave. Nawe over tenant Mzimbabwe la South Africa. Loko mdelela itamchacha kwala ka Shangaan gang. Ambi va mama sabana na gengeli ya Machangani. Ai delele kufana lawa. Bangati landlord. No yena luya ku hlekelela wa ku ba tikatere ku va Raymond Nyatheni nge n'wi ngheneli ngopfu sweswi mara nawe se swi tiki u tenant kwalani.
Vakhandle Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuhuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand. U kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10000 rand. Muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga cash only benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina muganga unveiling benefit vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
Iyo imai baba jaro kula impacha tanuna chiti. Agambo lava Mzimbabwe walava awulavi ila zuku yawan yimanemi amugalaka they only channel that matters to watch. Oh yeah. La ku vulavula hi swo talanyana la ka this episode ne. So let's get right to it. So la South Africa ku tele ku fika Mazimbabwe ne ivi ma tekiwa kumbe macata kumbe maganga vanhu va la South Africa lava nga na ti-ID. So vanhu lava nga na ti-ID va kota ku kuma switandi va tshama na Mazimbabwe la hikuva vanhu va ku tala va ku ri ti-baby mama ma vo. So Mazimbabwe lama ma swi kota va hlayisa vana lava va ti-baby mama letiya manjhe loko va Mazimbabwe lama karhi ma hlayisa ti-baby mama letiya ivi Mazimbabwe ma sungula ku delela hi mhaka ku ma twa nga ku wo ma nga na mali ma rivala ku landlord i mani manjhe. Like look at their behavior. They came here in South Africa illegally, so loko va fika la va sungula ku delela. So having said that, ti-tenant ti delela ku tlula ti-landlord, and mina tanihi landlord like byela mina like just be honest with me, why ni fane ni phikizana na Gaza Bocho over tenant. Gaza Bocha over ku rentini la voko pfuka mundzuku va n'wi caca la hi le ka mhayi vavo wa vo commenta ku voice susu kumbe a hi susu. Why? Because I'm tenant la hi le ka mhayi vava jaha ro kula hi mpacha la loko u commenta xila ku tengiwi timhaka ni tengisiwi. I'm not going to be held to account for anything. No one is going to do that to me. So ni kombela mbyela mfana luya wa Mzimbabwe wa ka Malamulele ku a nga deleli murangaphandla, a nga deleli landlord. Va twisisa? Wa ha ku fika tola ka va n'wi nyika xipisa ku lexi room and rent. I tiva na ku delela vanhu va tiva ku va mani va na timali va aroni i ti-landlord mfana me a wu na channel wena wa fana khundula wa lava u lavi i ta ku boha. Wa yi delela mfana wa mina. Ma yi tsuka ngoma leya Benny Mayengani ya ku ya ku nyanga in'hweti ya wena ku na xitimela lexi Tim Fabric lana hi le makumu Michael Angelo ni ku table for two kwala santeni kaya ra pinyonyo n'wanyango hi dya swa manyanyo emugobhozi yalwe nawe emugobhozi behave ku na wehe wo va tenant mzimbabwe la South Africa loko mi delela hi ta mi caca kwala ka Xangani gang hambi vamavasa vanana genge ya Machangani a yi deleli ku fana lavawa va nga ti landlord nonye luya ku hlekelela wa ku ba tikaterekateri ku va Raymond Nyathini nge ku ngheneli ngopfu sweswi mara nawe se swi tiki u tenant kwalani wata mi delela engaku na nin'wehe mi hakelaku the operation cost a mi swi tiva i yini sweswi a mi hakeli mi hakeriwa ku va mi ta mi hakeriwa for labor so gasa boxa hi nga delelani ngemeza hi nga delelani laha beni ma hi nga mi sumela ngoma a xi yimbela ku na kun'wanyana hlawa xi nga xi heyi ku ya vuma lokuya heyi ku ya xaya lokuya se hlavo a nghena a ku a byela miza n'wana a ku wa xito xi ze xi vulavula i Muzimbabwe xi ze lexiya swilo beni ma hi nga ni tivaka ni le Zimbabwe a ku ri gaza boxa ma yi vona mhaka ko so kwala a ni hundza hi kona let's get to this thing ya Philani a karhi a rasaraseka loko hi huma koho hi ta nghena ka Hlavu Sikiza na DJ Gift. I just want to put my little bit of inside there
hamba vo fika va tsala ku Philani kwala ka poster influencer hamba vo fika va tsala ku ri Khanyisa Bangwana Khanyisa lexiya xilungu wo hlangana lexiya Khanyisa Bangwana va ku Khanyisa na Philani out. Khanyisa, wherever you are, girl, you've worked hard. But think about hard, Khanyisa. It's fine. And people tell them what talk about Galwa, Ranga Bifiwa. It's gonna have gone. She. Vanhu va njhani hey yini matani buluwini guys ku Zambia mi baba please take note of this ku Zambia mi baba about this thing va nga rambiwangi a ku ri na vhiki leri hi nga ku votela ka Suku I was pushed ni votela Suku hikuva karhi ni buliwa namuntlha Suku kume position 3 we are celebrating her with different homecomings but I'm not involved. Why I was forced to be involved in the first place? Why I was forced to be there in the first place? But not because of you are going to celebrate Suku. Now you're excluding me. And you want me to listen to you. And you want me to be fooled. You've used me like a condom. You've used me like a stupid. I'm not stupid. You've been using me. You've been using me. You call me Imabitu. You remind me to disabled. Yes, I know. I am disabled. But don't remind me. I compromise for Sukumina. I sacrifice for Sukumina. For her to be there.
Let's get to it. You know, and donations and stuff like that. And I mean, I'm not going to be paralyzed to this thing. Oh, mashaka mangwani ma donatela man. Does it not mean that who must do it and it makes it right? I'm not going to be pursued with that narrative. For me, it's not going to work. That's why I'm not going to donate there. But anyways, Philani must know ku INR wananga participate ka swo pfuna Nsuku. Philani must know ku look and swilo swa nga endli xitokofela. Mara ku na mativa ku Machangani ma entitled to everything hambi leswi nga kule na vo. Nsuku loko a ta humelela ta xa BM ya ku fana Gavaza. Lava nga donetela mali i ta va teka swi nyef. Wa ai lifi na ku hi lifi na ku hi pfuxela ka hi pfuxeli. Wa dela na ku dela se ina makati ke hina hi nga n'wi endla munhu. Amromangi hi munhu musi. Mi lo decide. So when you help and you don't expect the return, you don't behave like what the way Plan does. Leswi swi endla ku Plan leswi swa Zimbabwe leswi. Man, so you don't behave like that. I'll behave this one as well. I still this one. People must understand that when you donate, you don't expect a return. When you help, not expect a return. Van lava nga pfuna Nsuku kumbe Gavaza va tele ngopfu. You can't afford. Like, okay, ni invite a Plan. Who is going to leave their house and say, Nyavona Plan? Tell me where. Na swisu vona video. Unga suka ka uku yavona Plan. So Plan nga yera say. I love Raselwa yana Plan. I love Huwa. We don't want noise. But tele vanhu lava nga pfuna nsuku underground, spend their all monies. They don't make noise. Mara wena hi ku enough tsetsere fane hi twa hi wehe. I sacrifice for Lord for a wu nga rhumangi hi munhu yo swi lava. Mara hi mi byelini. But be it as it may, hambi o hosta event ya ku ya le Peter ange mi koti hinkwenu. Like ange mi koti hinkwenu. Like he can't assist all of you. He can't put you on lineup, all of you. You know how the influencer ka gaza ta rhandza kasi amu nga ri mhaka rhandzu. I vu dyela byi mi hluphaka. Se mi la ku dyela ku nsuku vuyini. Mi vona ti-donations letiya xi tekini mfana wa muzulu wa malebvu ya ku basa. Hambi wo kwata i ta zi ku bo. Se hi kombela ku manager mi nga yi rasini. I posted a statement or like a post on Facebook and said DJ Gift Ainkambi. So that was to provoke Mr. Post's fans because I know how they react. I know there's one government Minora or something. He on Facebook. I love that guy. He's a friend of Mr. Post. He always Samakaran Chingel all the time. But I love him. So I said DJ Gift Ainkambi. And then they got angry. So DJ Gift is competing with Mr. Post. I mean with Hlausikis. So I don't want to get into a debate who's going to win this battle. Their music is out of currently they are not part of the drum and they stick to their sound. Mando says Mar, the song of DJ Gift and Kambi, I wanted to provoke them. It was as simple as that. But there's a song of DJ Gift near Ranzak from the previous album. Like, so that shows what he is an artist. Hlausikisa and Kambi. Hlausikisa doesn't even have a voice to sing. Hlausikisa cannot write a proper song. Generally. So when I say DJ Gift and Kambi, I thought maybe they will say Hlausikisa and Kambi na. Hlausikisa no imbela ka skut. No. Hlausikisa, what he must do if are we in issues, I'll do what DJ Khaled does. You just feature people, you just put your signature there, you produce an album, they come sing, you pay them, they go. Simple as that. You can make an album, like Black Cove can make an album without even singing a single verse or word. But at least DJ Gift is not your voice. Hlausikisa can't sing without being a hater or a love of Benimang, but Hlausikisa in Kambi, a vocalist, it's a producer, it ends there. Must just focus on production. He can't, like, it's not even a disrespect to him, but he knows he can't sing. It's simple as that. DJ Gift. So for to compete DJ Gift to compete Hlausikisa na DJ Gift is something that doesn't make sense for me because DJ Gift, his production is not at par. It's not like he can say, hey, Marlashi producing shem. There's not even a single album Mr. Post and Dlokonya and Sola and Queen. Lang I producer R1. If there's an album like that, it's a flop. Check to that album, I project DJ Gift. I think I tried DJ Gift come Mr. Post. You will say these albums are flops. It's not because Mr. Post did bad, it's because DJ Gift is not like a great producer. And I think these people, they are very, like this way we have technology, man. You can learn a lot of things on technology. You can even come up with a different sound through playing technology. But they stick to what they know. They don't want to innovate themselves. They don't want to improve their skills. They don't want to bring anything new to the market. My guy, sit on YouTube and say, just type. You know those things that you're dealing with. Do you understand? So, to compete these two, swi fana na ku competisa Thabang na Butmajul. Manjus Fudai, that's a bad example. Lava ambiri va fan, Thabang na Butmajul va fan, Thabang ilo comments na mara mhlekete ka. Apa na Butmajul na mhlekete. I think there's anti contradictory, but let me get back to the point. These two, they don't make music that is going to live forever. Because Hlausikisa is not a vocalist, can't write. It's Benima Yangani stuff, that thing. It's Benima Yangani releasing an album in Easter. Simple. As simple as that. Like, there are people who are bad vocalists. Gaza va tele. Hambi Prince Rangani is not a good vocalist. Look where Benny Mayangan comes in and then Prince Rangani follows. You will tell, this is terrible. Ambo kwata, walava ulava.
Mana masesi yakungahlisa sweswo famba ngalela n'wana mani ma society leke jwala switolo va tisaka swakudya va tisaka jala mahala va tisakela switolo va mani ku vela yena ni vona mali sala swa mama
Condor wa rasa bra suki baro ko basuka Kwenda kai la wa rasa bra
ngwana mani join society iloveluyini avatisanga switulu avatisanga swakudya
ebula veti vakhanji we
ba
ku ko basuka vakhanji mganga group wa iti
va tisa 15,000 cash na tente na 200 ta switulu
na decoration
na mobile toilet
na tu unye bra
na tihunyi na sound system
so ngom join
na generator
hikwafo lo sibona
una mani lava hi nga joyina vola na xitulu na xin'we va tisanga va fona va ha khomi
u join ma group ya Gondoro bana
una mani manyana mani nga swi tivi ku va nge loko va tisa joyina na va ta endla swilo hinkwaswo vona mani
no this scam
sweswo na joyina vakhandli yo lela ka posta na namba foni ya vohe yo lewa ta joyina vakhandli sweswo yo nge ta hi lamulela swi nga maka va nga ta lolo va joyina sweswo
basi school late we get
hey i ta ya joyina vakhandli
baba vona sesa bro sek
vona mani joyina vakhandli murhandziwa n'we ta lahliwa ku rhula